Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M01 Core and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button so we can open here the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on useful features category. At the second place we have pictures as preview option, so this is our mirror effect. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. We have also short info from the device that this can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So of course, to make it work, we have to remember to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.